key part of the strategy in email marketing campaigns, or marketing campaigns in general, is to really understand the product or service that you're trying to sell and the market who you want to reach. The example we'll use today is the Dyson vacuum cleaner, and the core market we'll be targeting is families with kids and pets. Now, an excellent tool to capture and understand both the product, service, and the market is a lean canvas. Lean canvas is a popular and well-known tool in agile marketing that allows you to capture all this information very succinctly on one page. Now let's go through the lean canvas for the Dyson vacuum cleaner. When we start our lean canvas, we start with customer segments. This is where we list our target customers and users. Why do we start with customer segments? Well, a Dyson vacuum cleaner may have a lot of features, but not all are relevant to the segments we want to target. So first we need to narrow it down. So of course we'll be targeting parents with pets and kids, but we also will target cleaners, professional cleaners. The bottom part of the customer segments is the early adopters. These are the people that are more likely among our segments to actually buy early. In this case, it's people with kids and allergies. The next part of the lean canvas is the problem section. This is where you list your top 1 to 3 problems that are faced by your customer segments. So it's specific. It's not all the problems that your solution or service can fix, but just the ones faced by your customer segments. In this case, the parents don't have something that can filter allergens. They also have vacuum cleaners that have weak suction that get weaker over time, and they also run out of bags when they vacuum. Existing alternative sections. This is where you put how these problems are solved today. And essentially, with a regular vacuum cleaner, they can't be solved. Now we move on to the solution. In the lean canvas, this is where we outline a possible solution for each problem, which takes into account who is the customer. So the Dyson vacuum cleaner will filter allergens. It also has strong suction all the time, and it's bagless. As you can see, these are parts of the solution that specifically target problems held by our customer segments. The next section we need to complete is the unique value proposition. This is a single, clear, compelling message that states why your product or service is different and worth paying attention to. It should be a combination of your market and your product or service. So in this case, we've come up with keeps your kids safe from pet hair, and also an alternative one for cleaners, which is always performs and never runs out of bags. The bottom section of the unique value proposition is the high level concept. This is essentially an analogy, a simple way to explain to people why the Dyson vacuum cleaner is the best. And we've chosen the Ferrari of vacuum cleaners. So it's an analogy with a car. It's very clear as to what the Dyson vacuum cleaner is about. It's also important to understand the wider picture of your particular product or service. So the next part of the lean canvas are the channels. This is where you list the paths to your customers. So these are distribution channels and marketing channels. So in this case, we have retail partners, the website, and PR. The last part that we're going to do in the strategy section is the unfair advantage. So this is something that can't be easily bought or copied in your solution or service. And for the Dyson, it's patented technology for vacuuming. And there you go, we've completed a full lean canvas for the Dyson vacuum cleaner. This can be applied just as easily to a service as to a physical product like the Dyson.